the bearing stopper plate using Phillips head screwdriver and remove the bearing stopper plate. The bearing of the transmission assembly can be removed or installed using respective special tool. While installing the bearing remover, ensure the tool is properly tightened and its jaws are properly seated on the inner race.